Inequalities can be represented in different ways. They can be written using an inequality sign, like this one here. Or they might be marked using a circle on a number line. Or, like the examples we're about to do here, they can be represented on a graph. On example 1, we're asked to shade the region x is greater than 2. So to find the boundary between x is greater than 2 and x is less than 2, we first of all need to draw the line x equals 2. So the line x equals 2 is a vertical line through 2 on the x-axis. I'm going to draw a dashed line because it's an inequality. And the dashed line signifies that if you're on the line, that's not part of the area we're interested in. We're only interested in areas where x is greater than 2, not where x is equal to 2. Now, which side of the line are we interested in? If we're not sure, it's a good idea to try a point either side of the line until we are sure. So let's try a point to the left of the line. So the coordinates to that point are 1, 1, and we're interested in the x coordinate. We want to know when x is greater than 2. So what's the x coordinate here? It's 1. Does 1 satisfy this inequality? Is 1 greater than 2? Well, no, it's not, is it? So, must be the other side. Let's check with the point the other side. So here the coordinates of that point are 3, 1. 3 is our x coordinate. Is 3 greater than 2? Yes, of course it is. So this side of the line satisfies the inequality. So this side of the line we're interested in. What does the question ask us to do? To shade the region. So we're shading the region x is greater than 2. Let's have a look at our second example. So on this question, we're asked to shade the region that y is less than or equal to -1. So to find the boundary between that which is less than, which is more than, we need to draw the line y equals -1. So that goes through -1 on the y-axis. Now we need to know which side of the line are we interested in. Well, we're interested in the side which is less than or equal to -1. So first of all, because it can be equal to -1, in other words, we're including -1, then we can change that from a dashed line to a solid line. That shows that we're including points that are actually on the line. The way I remember it is, if we're including -1, then with this inequality we've got an extra bit on the line. Same with our line here, there's a bit more to it. There aren't any gaps because it's dashed, and so that means it's including what's on the line. So let's check which side are we interested in. We're interested in when y is less than -1 as well as equal to. So let's try a point here. What are the coordinates of that point? That's right, 1, -2. So the y value is what we're interested in now. Y value is -2. Is -2 less than or equal to -1? Yes, it is, isn't it? So it's this side underneath the line we're interested in. Asked to shade the region. So that's our answer.